Bonjour à tous, I'm Cassie, your French tutor, so you can learn French the French way. And today we're gonna practice a bit what we've done in past lessons. So I'm talking about numbers from 0 to 59, from 0 jusqu'à 59, and the pronunciation of combinations of letters.
Et si tu te souviens pas pourquoi je les mets ensemble, comme d'habitude, je te mets la vidéo par là.
Oh, t'es belle! The idea of these exercises is that you practice what you've learned before. I don't want to put the practice exercises in the same videos just because I don't think you will remember them afterwards. Here we're making sure that you will remember everything, even after the lesson. T'es prêt? On y va. Exercice numéro 1. So for this exercise, I'm gonna give you a few numbers in French and I'm simply asking you to translate them. That's quite simple, isn't it? Well, we'll see if it is that simple. 11, 11, 3, 3, 25, 25, 50, 50, 18, 18. Et les numéros complémentaires, 41, 41. You think you have them all? Well, let's check. What did I say? 11, 3, 25, 50, 18, 41. Exercice numéro 2. That was quite easy, wasn't it? I'm sure it was for you, so let's level up. I'm sure you understood, but now let's see if you can give me the French translation. I'm gonna give you a few numbers, and you are going to tell me, well, you know. I'm not really hearing you, but let's pretend. So you're gonna tell me what they are in French. Number 1, 1, 12, 16, 57, 24, 31. So what are they in French? 1, 12, 16, 57, 24, 31. Now let's move towards a bit of pronunciation, shall we? Allez, on continue. Exercice numéro 3. Okay, so for this exercise, just here, you will see 3 words written. But I'm only gonna say one. And you are going to pick which one. So for this exercise, the translation does not matter. We do not focus on the meaning of these words, just the way we pronounce them, the way we read them. Okay? Fond. And that's the one. Okay, so this one would be fin. This one would be fait. And because we have on, that is fond. Main. Main. And that's the one. The other would be mou et mais. OU makes ou. AI makes e. Just like EI, like in 13, remember? And ou would be like 12. Savant. Savant. I'm sure you guessed it. That's the first one. AN makes en. Same as EN, that would be like in 30, 40, 50, etc. The others are savon, on, 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 civet. This one is a dish. So really, when I'm saying that the meaning does not matter, well, I mean it. And we have frein, frein, this one. Because the other would be front, on, again, on, like we saw in fond, that you may know from 11. And the third word was frime, and I am, just like IN, and EM, just like EN, they should be un. But because they are not from the same syllable, frime, You don't pronounce them together. You do not combine them. And last one, bonbon. Bonbon. That's the one. You probably noticed that the nasal vowel is actually repeated. Bon, bon. O-N, O-N. The other words are Bambi, probably know from Disney, et Bambin. And now you are going to be the one reading the words. So I'm not saying anything at first. You're the one reading. You tell me. Give you a few more seconds. A few of them are a bit tricky, but I trust you. So we have eau, eau, pain, enfant, hibou, maison. Alors, comment ça s'est passé pour toi? Okay, so if you enjoy this kind of practice, let me know in the comments. I really think that exercises shouldn't follow directly the lesson. Otherwise, it is still fresh in your mind and you won't really remember anything. Here, we're really practicing, so you know, it sticks to your brain. I would really love for you to subscribe to the channel if you're serious in learning French, and that would mean the world to me. À la semaine prochaine. Cookie, si tu veux dire bonjour, tu le dis clairement. Voilà. Oh, t'es belle.